And yep, it's close. With profit, we have $1,188 on the account right now. Hello guys, and welcome back to my cool YouTube channel. And for those who don't know me, my name is Michael Trader, and I am a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. So today, as always, my dear friends, I would like to tell you how to make millions on this market. And if you want to know how to do this, let's watch this video. And let's see what will we get. Let's see what will we get. I'm sure that everything will be more than fine. So we have opened the first buy position. As you can see, the price is going really nicely. We are going to break through the resistance line zone according to the parabolic saw in the strong buy zone. And almost done, almost done, almost done. The first trade is closed with profit. We have $242 on the account right now, and we are ready to continue. Euro half. Let me draw for you upgoing channel. Upgoing channel is done. You can clearly see that now price is hitting the bottom line of the upgoing channel, and we are highly likely to receive a pullback reaction from here. Like very highly likely. One more trade is closed with profit. We have $370 right now. Let's continue, my friends. We have made the bullish consumption of the previous bearish candle right now. That means that we are very highly likely to continue growing. We have invested $200 in this trade. This trade is open strictly according to the candle pattern, market structure. So this trade is also close to this profit. We have $544. And we are opening buy position because, as you can see, everything is very evident. Firstly, according to the parabolic saw, we're in the strong buy zone, we're above middle line of the counter channel. Moreover, we are breaking through the upper edge of the counter channel right now. Of course, we have open buy position. By the way, my friends, while we are waiting for the result of this trade, don't forget to open description to this video and subscribe to my private TG, where you will get access to the best trading signals, analytics, and educational materials that will help you to become a professional and experienced trader. And moreover, if you write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, in which you will get access to the same kind of online trading sessions, and you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each day. So don't waste your time, do this right now and be with me. Link in the description. Okay, so we have several seconds left to see the result of this trade. Let's just wait and see, guys. Let's just wait and see. And yep, it's closed, and as you can see, we're in the profit right now. I have changed my lesson to $400, but yes, it's a risk, but I have open sell position. Why? I have just checked Aaron. In the Aaron oscillator, we have a huge divergence in the volumes, which is showing us that price is ready to drop. So that's why I decided to take a risk and to open sell position right now. Let's see what will we get anyway. We're in the profit. We have $420 remaining on the account. This is our hedge asset. So that's why anyway, I don't care. I know that everything will be okay. And yep, it's closed with profit. We have $1,188 on the account right now. We have multiplied our balance rounds 10 times more just within several minutes. If you want to have the same results like me, it's absolutely possible. You just need to learn for this. I'm giving you such opportunity in my VIP channel. That's why I open the description to this video right now and subscribe to it. Waiting for you all. See you all and bye bye.